Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a little organize my makeup drawer. Currently I've been using the same makeup drawer products, everyday makeup drawer products for probably a year. Since moving, getting married, all that stuff, when I moved my vanity, I just left everything in it and kind of stabilized it, and so it's stayed the same since the move. And I've yet to have time to kind of take everything out, clean it, and pick out some different products and start fresh. So that's what we're gonna do today. So if you're excited about this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe down below. And let's get started, guys. So I did get this new set of organizers. I got it from TJ Maxx for $12.99. It comes with 2 large trays, 4 long trays, and then 6 small trays. I'm actually really excited about this, plus they're pink, so gotta love that. And then I have a couple extra of these, just little clear ones. So I kind of want to take out the organizer I have in there currently and wipe down everything, and I would like to incorporate these pink ones in there because they're really cute. And the current organizer I have, I do like it, but I would just like to use my pink ones, and I could use that organizer elsewhere in my full makeup collection. So I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys towards my makeup drawer and start a little montage for you. Okay, so here is what my current drawer looks like. I can't pull out any further. It is a complete mess. Some of these products I haven't used in just months. So I really want to take everything out of the drawer, wipe the drawer down, and then maybe pick out different products and reorganize it a little bit. So I'll zoom you guys out some. I'm just gonna set these down here. So I'm just gonna take all the products and set them on my vanity. It's gonna look like a complete mess. Okay, so I think I might do something like this just for the time being. I have a big one and then 2 long ones and then 2 smaller ones over here. So I'm going to go ahead and put away all these products on my vanity and then we will pick out some new ones and put in the drawer. Okay, so I got all my products that I want to use over here. So I'm going to go ahead and load in. This is a little caddy that I have all my current brown products in. That isn't really going to change. And then also this little caddy here that I have all my current mascaras in. I'm not going to change these just because I need to use the ones I have open. So that is going to also stay the same. And then next up for concealer, or no, we should start with primer. So currently these 2 are in my Shop My Stash. So these 2 are going to stay in the drawer. And then just 2 other small little travel size ones are these 2 by NYX. I really just want to use these up and be able to put them in my empties. So those are going to go in the drawer kind of So, and then next up for foundation, I've got 3 here. These 2 I'm currently trying to use up, the Beauty Blender one and then this Essence Keep Me Covered. This Essence Keep Me Covered one is way too light for me. I bought a shade that's just way too light. And this Beauty Blender one is just a bit dark right now, so I've been mixing the 2. So I'm just trying to use up those 2. And then this Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation is like a perfect skin tone color for me right now. So I would like to get some use out of this. And then a few concealer options. This one I've been using and been loving lately. This is the Flower Beauty Get Real Serum Concealer. I love this. It's like a good full coverage option. And then these 2 options I've not used in quite a long time. The Benefit Bowing and then the NYX Bear With Me Concealer. So I wanted to go ahead and try to add these in and get some use out of those. Okay, so that's what that drawer is going to look like. And then moving on to like, I guess like blush. These 2 here are in my project pan currently, so these have to stay in the drawer. And then this Too Faced one I've just been loving going into spring. It's that fun bubblegum pink color, the Cloud Crush, or no, Candy Cloud shade. So those ones are going to stay in, but I'm adding in a few more colors. This ColourPop You Got Mail one is just a really pretty pink shade going into summertime. And then these 2 I just got new during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, the Benefit Terra shade and the Benefit Butterfly shade. So I'm going to go ahead and add in these blushes. And then for bronzer, I'm not going to show this one because it's in my project pan and I don't want to show my progress before I post that video. So this Too Faced bronzer needs to go in, and then this Marc Jacobs bronzer, it's in my project pan as well. And I feel like I'm just going to have to replace it with something else because I haven't really been able to get use out of it. And then a couple other bronzers, this Tarte Sea Breezy one in Seychelles. I have a good, decent pan size in this, and I would really like to just use this up. And then these 2 other powder bronzers, this Jaclyn Hill bronzer, I love this one. It smells like coffee. And then this Physician Formula Buttercake bronzer. I have a decent sized pan on this, but I just love this shade. It's so nice going into summertime. Okay, so those are all the bronzers. Oh, and then this other Nabla blush. This is in my current project pan for my deck of panning video I just posted. So I need to keep this one with the other blushes as well. A few highlighter options. I pulled these ones out. The Comet Catcher from Kaleidos. I have my Pure X Barbie highlighter. This one is really pretty. This one, Party Pets highlighter from I Heart Revolution. It is just a stunning highlighter. And then this Kaja little trio stack highlighter. It's got like 3 highlighters in it. So these are just a few highlighter options. I don't know where to put these because I also have like cream blushes. I guess I'll put the highlighters over here with the bronzers. And I forgot to mention I pulled out a few cream blush options. The NYX Sweet Cheeks, the Milk Makeup Bionic Blush, and then this Huda Beauty blush. I'm just going to put all the blushes together. And then this Flower Beauty Spotlight highlighter. I've been loving this one. So it will stay in as well. And that is pretty much going to be it for my current Shop My Stash makeup video. I'm going to give you guys a quick like little zoomed in version of what the drawer looks like. Okay, so a little kind of like quick overlay of what the drawer looks like. You can kind of see back here I did put like just some like hand cream. This is my foundation lightener. If you don't have this, you need this in your life if you have foundations or concealers that are too dark for your skin tone. And just have a little extra setting spray back there. So yeah, here's what my new and improved everyday makeup drawer looks like. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave. And y'all, don't forget you're absolutely stunning. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.